first little mini project on top of the van is gonna be removing this fella. Because we barely used it in the years that we got the van now. Maybe twice. It takes space, and if we remove it, we can put a third solar panel on it here. So let's go ahead and remove the thing.
I think by this thing and the old TV down there, you can really see that this was owned by an old couple, retirement couple, who really wanted to just go to some campsite and watch TV. It's very common. It's a stereotype. So let's get rid of this thing. I wanted to get rid of it from the beginning. Felix!
Maddy always yelling for a cat.
Felix!
Yeah, it's perfect weather. Today is the best day in weeks here.
I can see myself sitting up here every single day.
Alright, let's see if it's easy. Thing is under current. I don't know if that's such a good idea, but if we switch it off, then it will fall down and I can't take it off. I bet this one here is just mounted and then it comes off, and that's my guess.
No sunbathing for me.
Looks good, huh? Well, actually, now I think somebody should go down and fold this thing with the electronics, and then we can take it off.
I can't go up here.
Down here? No.
I can go down here.
This is the moment where Maddy is gonna hurt herself.
No, I'm not.
You're gonna destroy the window, you know that.
The other way around. I'm afraid of the ladder. See?
That easy. Yes, please. Wonderful. Thank you. Oh man, it's heavy as The question is, what do we do with the wire? Problem here, of course, here's the big cable attached and it goes in there.
I decided that we are not going to get rid of the cable because that's too much work and it's really not necessary. And if we ever decide, if we are grey and old, to put a receiver somewhere and satellite ever again on this thing here, people or we need to do it again, and that's stupid. So we have the cable now, we just detach it from the satellite thing up there. So I'm going to get rid of this TV finally.
Yes.
I wanted to get rid of it right from the beginning. I think it's ugly and I don't need it. Okay. Okay, that was obviously too much. Couldn't handle that this thing was gone. Please don't tell me they glued it. Sascha, we have a severe problem here. I made it. It's gone. But this, Sascha needs to help me.
Alright, so this was pretty straightforward. This is the base plate that's gonna stay on there because it's glued. And
why do all people glue stuff? Why did we invent screws? And why do you glue and then screw?
Because it's German, it's the best.
No, that's not the best.
It's not the best, that's true. Yeah, because real Germans, they build stuff so it can be deassembled. That's correct. So base plate stays on there, the cable there, you see it, those connection points, they were pretty straightforward just to detach. Some screws I had to loosen here and then just unplug it, and we're gonna put those in plastic bags and roll it up and then hide it under the solar panels. And now I have to get this heavy beauty down here. So Maddy,
I hold it like this. Lean it on there.
we made it! It's down and it's heavy as...
And I was wrong.
Yes, she has. So next problem, what's the problem here?
So we have this now. Ooh. That was easy. But the people who put it in here didn't. Why do we have screws? First step, get rid of everything I can.
No screws up there.
No.
Now rip it off, man.
I hate it. How do I get rid of it?
It's gonna be impossible, man.
Ja, rackeln hilft immer.
You can do pull-ups on here.
Oh Gott, oh my gosh.
Just be patient.
Das kann doch jetzt nicht die Lösung sein.
Constant pressure. Why don't we keep it?
Oh, oh, oh. You're the best.
Great success. So guys, just be patient, consistent, and you can do everything.
I know what I'm doing the next hour. Okay, so I finished one, more or less successful. You can see the scars I made here. I will spare you the other three because I'm already getting crazy, but this one is really handy. It's actually for glass See you in a few hours.
And while Maddy is doing the very nice stuff there with the remains of the TV mount, I'm gonna show you the current state of the roof deck, because now the satellite dish is gone. Our little roof deck here, it's very nice. I was just chilling for a couple of minutes on top of the van with the very nice sun. The plan is later, let's see when later is, to put some aluminum struts here as well and put another one of those solar panels up here and maybe an aluminum box. But I'm very satisfied with the solution right now. Bye bye satellite dish. Hello, beautiful space over there, which we can now use for anything but a TV. Maddy's still on the job.
It's one of these things you really don't voluntarily sign up for.
One other step to make this baby, our Goldie, that's her name, even more custom and even more ours is take all of those stripes off. Because I think with them she looks like a retirement mobile and we don't want that.
You really want to do it?
Look at it! You want to leave it like that? Okay, 2 lanes done. One thing that we need to take care of as well is here. There's some glue here, the remains, which we're gonna remove with. Maddy did some research. Orange oil, I don't know, let's see about that. Orange cleaner something. As you can see, there's a lot of other stuff on the van, which I'm gonna tackle right now. There and there and there and there and everywhere. But I think it's worth it to have this beauty naked. Don't like the paint stripes. Oh man, that's a lot of work and little progress so far, but I'm gonna stick with it. I think it looks better without the paint stripes. Let's keep on keeping on. See you when it's done, or somewhere in between. Now the door is naked and the front as well. Very nice. So now I turned the person into an Aussie, which is a nickname for East German people, like I am. Let's see how Madeline likes it.
I think it's funny. I don't know if I can get used to it.
Shall we keep it?
Yeah, we should keep it.
So still a bit of work. What you gotta do, huh? Okay, since here for the radio, those cables were hanging around here, just out of there for the longest time, we are going to drill some holes in the top hatch here. Already started. Looking good so far. Damn! I think it's super pretty. You like it?
It's pretty.
Let's give it a try. Just as I imagined it. Look at it. Isn't this nice? Now I have a button here. The cable, I can pull it out, put it in. It's super nice. I love it. The proper parts arrive. Because we have another partnership! Yeah! Let's get the parts up here. I think this looks pretty rad. We got some juice. It says low battery. Now we have 0 watt. My hair today looks like the salt flats. Very flat.
It's so messy in here and it's so dirty. Woo! Keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a